这些都是免费的，免费拿走的 ，free to take away。没帽子。Hi, hello.
Hello, help yourself. It's all free.
Oh, thank you. So we're gonna take one cab.
Thank you.
This is all from the people who live there.
Yes, they've gone.
They've gone.
They've left it behind.
Oh yeah.
It's all just going in the rubbish.
Okay.
But some of these things are usable. If people want them, they can
Yeah.
have them. Help themselves. Save it going in the recycle.
Recycle. Yeah, it's good. Very good for the environment.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Jian.
Jen.
Yeah.
My name's Father Andrew.
What's your name?
Father Andrew.
Baba Andrew.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I love your hat.
Oh, thank you. Got a TV?
Got a TV? Oh, is it working?
I don't know.
Oh, I have a TV at home. So you run this place?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've got a job as a cleaner.
What's that?
I work as a cleaner.
A cleaner. Okay, you clean for them and for accommodation and stuff.
Yeah.
It's good.
So I do.
Yeah.
We've just had one man move away, so we're one cleaner short at the moment. I'd normally have someone to help me, but I've got to do it on my own.
Ah, is one people short?
Yeah, need another person.
Is another person.
Yeah, to help me do the cleaning. 'Cause
Uh,
he wasn't doing the lady taking over the rooms, but got to find another cleaner.
right. Is it a job with pay salary or just for exchange of accommodation?
Yeah, exchange of accommodation.
Exchange for accommodation.
3 hours, 3.5 hours each day, every second day, but sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less.
How did you make the hat?
It's a crown, helmet crown.
It's a crown.
Yeah.
And you did some decoration on it. And...
Here's a bicycle helmet. I don't know if I've got a Chinese flag on there. I've got a
Japanese one. You got the New Zealand one.
And, I've got
Some jewelries there.
Yeah.
It's really
Does it look good? Does it?
yeah.
Oh, thank you. And the recycling depot is just at the other side of those lights under the on-ramp there.
Yeah.
Which is what all the plastic is going to be recycled.
Recycle.
It's good for the planet.
That's right.
It's going to be reused, because that's what I'm going through. This is going to be rubbish. This is going to be taken away, put out there, and the rubbish truck's going to take all that rubbish away.
Yeah.
But this here is going to be taken away and put into the recycling of plastic, tin cans, and cardboard.
Yeah.
That's what this here is. Cardboard, plastic, and it's all going to go down there and be put through the recycling so it gets used again. And we've got all this has got to go, all this stuff. It's all being cleaned out. There's a pair of shorts. I'll put them out. Someone might like them.
Yeah. It's quite new. Looks quite new.
Underpants. What's that? Singlet.
T-shirts. Yeah.
Singlet, t-shirts, singlet. Yeah, I'll put those out. Bicycle helmet. Dictionaries.
That one's.
Put them out there too. No use them just sitting there. Someone might take something away. Anything that anybody takes away is less work that I've got to do in taking it down to the rubbish and out to the garage sale. Having a garage sale.
Garage sale, yeah.
And what's left at the end of the day, we'll just put in the rubbish.
Yeah. It's a very good concept, the
Yeah, well,
recycling thing.
It's rather than just throw it straight in the bin. Someone might be able to use it.
Yeah, I'm sure somebody will do.
Yeah, we've got some paintings, artwork,
Yeah.
night sky and trees. I think they go that way. That one goes, I think it goes that way. Electronics.
Electronic, yeah.
This is something he took apart. It was a computer or something. He pulled it all to pieces, dismantled it all.
If you find the right person, that might be useful for him or her.
Yeah. I don't know. They do silly things.
Yeah.